Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting this beast together. This is the Laguna B-Flux 1 from IGM. It's a small format, 1 horsepower dust extractor. It's about 750 watts and I got this in addition to my Laguna B-Flux 3. The reason for this is because I want a separate unit for my CNC machines, which I have 2 of, and that way I don't have to lead the tube all the way across my workshop over to the CNCs from the B-Flux because the distance is ridiculous. What we're going to do today is unbox it and put it together. We also get the help of my boy who helps me in the more complicated parts. So let's get straight to it. So we just start by taking out the H-frame. This is the base where the caster's fixed to, and then the rest of the unit follows up. Here we have some safety paperwork and the manual. We have the belt that fastens the waste bag, and in this box we have the casters, bolts and fixings. Everything is very well labelled with what each part does. So it would be very hard for you to get confused and mess up the build. So as you can see, first we're attaching the casters to the H-frame. We're using the bag, which is appropriately labelled, with the bolts and washers to fix the casters to the H-frame. We're using a size 10 socket. Next you'll see we have holes with threaded inserts. Now the side panels, these are labelled left and right. Watch out you don't make the mistake I do. See if you can spot it. This is the inlet. The hose attaches to it and that's where the dust enters the unit. As you can see, this is on the bottom layer of what's in the box. The right side panel is at the bottom. And you have the insignia on both panels. Upright supports, clearly labelled. So here's where I made the first mistake. I should have paid closer attention or used more common sense. You can't put the socket in here because the angle makes it too tight to fit. So everything here is done by hand and finished off with a spanner. There's 2 holes for bolts at the base of each side panel. Now time to get the filter canister out and put it to the side, along with the motor housing. I need to get access to the remaining panels for the frame. And here you have it, both left and right and midsection panel. And there you go, here's me undoing my mistake. It's an easy fix though. And there's my boy going on about his computer game.
My dog standing with me. Mom, this. So play with me. I don't have my phone.
There's my little boy being bossy as usual. And me finishing off the side panels for the frame. And don't worry, after this build I took them swimming and spent some quality time with them. All these are simple bolts and washers. Get them. And here he's giving me some professional advice. You stay with Daddy and I need your help. I need your help with this one. Why do you think it's good? Good boy.
It's half no more.
Okay.
It's half no button.
Yeah. Look.
It's over here. It's there.
Yeah?
Yeah, here. Not you. In there.
You're right. And here's the final cross section. How come you're so good at this stuff? This will now secure the whole frame.
I got some up and before. I got
Time for the motor housing to go on, and you can see it has 4 threaded inserts. Again, the manual suggests not to do it this way. I didn't read the manual, which we will soon discover might have been a bit more handy, but I figured it out for myself. I then put the motor housing on the box and turn the frame upside down. It's a lot easier to affix this way. The manual says to do it on its side, but this is just as easy. So once again, 2 bolts and washers either side. Job's a good one. Can you see that on top, that little one? Yeah, can you reach it? Make sure you're holding it high. And here he is again, helping his daddy out. Can you give me that orange thing on the floor? Good boy. Yeah, we are. And here is the inside of the filter canister. It slides on pretty easily. It's fastened with that ratchet strap. So once it's on and even, it's just a case of flicking the switch. Here's the inlet valve. Just a tip, a lot easier to use a powered screwdriver. Once again, everything's clearly labelled. These are simple threaded screws, they're not bolts. So I tried to use a stubby screwdriver. It was just too much work, so I ended up using my Festool handheld driver. And finally, the handle goes on. One bolt and washer that goes in the top. And there you have it. It's pretty much good to go. Just one last thing. You'll notice it comes with 2 dust collection bags, which is a nice touch. I'm not sure on the size of these. Now time to fix it to the unit. I've not seen this method used before, so it's a little bit perplexing. I spend a little bit longer than I'd like to trying to figure it out, but I eventually get there. What I failed to realise is that it also includes the traditional type of securing the bag to the unit, which is a ratchet strap, but I misplaced it, which I later find. So here's me thinking what to do.
"2,000 years later."
So I finally figured out that the band doesn't go on the outside, but let's try the inside. And hey presto, it works. Right, so one Laguna B-Flux 1 assembled. We fired it up and cleaning the filter. So there you have it, guys. That's the unboxing and assembly of the Laguna B-Flux 1. I hope you enjoyed it. Learned something from it, and hopefully if you're on the market for a dust extractor and you've been considering the B-Flux, I hope this has swayed your decision. It was a pretty straightforward build. I think it's going to be a great addition to my workflow. The only bit that puzzled me was the belt for attaching the dust bag, but once I figured it out, it was pretty straightforward. It's a new thing for me. I've not seen this before. Normally it's like a metal pass on the outside with a buckle, similar to the filtration unit. So here's future me, just making this video to say there is an outside strap for the dust collection bag, which I was having troubles with initially figuring out this little latch. So because I put this to the side and it got lost in the boxes and plastic, I didn't realise, but I probably will use this moving forward. As much as this is a novel idea, this is what I'm used to. So there you go, guys. You do get both options in the bag. So let's get back to the video. Yeah, so that's it. Guys, if you have taken something away from this video, I would really appreciate a subscription. I have more videos like this to come. Every little helps, and it's keeping me afloat while I'm trying to launch this business of mine. And don't forget, smash the like button. Until the next video, happy woodworking. Take it easy, guys.